Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to cosine of x over 2. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have negative 1 over 2 sine of s over 2 dx. dv, we have e to the power of s dx. The integration of this one, we have v equal to e to the power of s. Next, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative in here, negative, negative, we have positive. And then we have the integration of e to the power of s sine of s over 2 dx. Next, we continue using integration by parts again. So this one we have sine of s over 2. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 cosine of s over 2. Now, so for this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 2, and we have the integration e to the power of s cosine of s over 2 dx. So if we look carefully about this one, this is similar for this one in here. Now I will put about capital I equals to this integration. So this one I will put about I equals to I, because everything in here is similar for this one. Now we have 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we have positive 1 over 4 I. So this one we have 5 over 4 I. Later that, we divide both sides by this number in here. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.